Hi friends, we're talking about ants. Ants are sometimes people get upset with ants and sometimes they can be really cool. So I wanted to share this with you to show you how they can be really cool. So let's find out about ants, called little critter ants. Ants have 3 main body parts. They have 6 legs. So you can look really close. It has 1, 2, 3 parts. This part's called the abdomen. This is the thorax, and here's the head. Would I want an ant to come and lay on my head? I don't think so, but it's fun to look at. Some ants are red or yellow, others are black or brown. Lots of ants live in each nest. They work together. So teamwork, yay! Most ants are workers. They find food. Workers carry food to the nest. Look how hard they're working to carry that. They feed the young. The queen ant lays the tiny little eggs. The worm-like larva grows into an egg, and then the ant wiggles out. The larva makes a soft shell around itself. Inside, it turns into an ant. There it comes out. Hello, ant. Now these pictures are like using a magnifying glass so you can look really close because ants are really about that big. So to see it bigger, you have to look really, really close. And ants live in ant hills. So we try not to disturb those ant hills because we don't want anything to happen to those ants. And that's a story about ants. So here's some activities you can do. This is working on your fine motor skills. There's a bunch of pages in here that you can either cut. Some are squiggly, some are straight. There's a whole bunch in here. Or you can use your pencil and trace over the lines. You can turn it so that you're writing this way, left to right. Again, left to right. Or however you want to use these. Have fun with them. Then here is the ants are stuck inside the anthill. On the second page are a bunch of ants. You can have an adult help you cut them out and then stick them wherever you want them to stick here in the anthill. Then here's 3 circles that you're going to cut out and decide what color ant you'd like to have. And then on the back paper, you can draw and cut out legs and antennas that you can add to your ant. Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.